Hey, and we're recording. Here we are at the fiery furnace. And we're getting ready for our, there it is back there. Getting ready for our big hike. And it's very nice scenery here. Here, let's get some of the scenery. Beautiful, stunningly beautiful scenery. And this is the pre-hike video.
Hello, peoples.
All right, and we are in the furnace.
Kind of. And I wanted to come investigate right in here, this area, and they were a little bit doubtful, but it was worth it.
Then it turns out we found this
cavey area.
alcove with an oculus, just a pantheon. And we're in
It's interesting, it's like round.
Yeah.
The wall right there. Then it opens up here, it's fallen rock, but
Yeah.
right there it's round.
Yeah. Very cool.
This is a big puka.
Yeah.
It is a pretty big puka. What, maybe 25?
And others have been here before us.
And water flows here.
Water flows here. I could see water right there. Although it hadn't rained for a couple days.
2 days. Not yesterday, but the day before.
Day before, right? All right, here we are at an arch.
I don't think they want
And we don't know what the name of the arch is, but I'm calling it Surprise Arch. Surprise! There's an arch. We came through there. I'm leaving my bag. And I'm walking through the arch, through the portal in time and space, into the alternate dimension. All right, and I'm through. And now you guys are coming through.
In a couple of minutes.
Here comes Jared into the alternate dimension.
Awesome. Totally awesome.
Totally awesome here.
Hi, peoples.
Hi, peoples.
We'll be out of here in a couple of minutes.
Oh, all right. Okay, so we think this might be pass through or a crawl through arch.
Yeah.
And Lissa's up there in the hole.
It's pretty tight.
It's pretty tight. And they're saying I can't make it, but it looks like an enormous hole to me.
Well, you're pretty
ridiculous.
Squishy.
I'm pretty squishy.
You're plenty squishy.
Okay, go ahead and go through. Oh, Jared's going through while Lissa's in the hole.
Well, this is
Okay.
small.
Yeah, Jared's small, yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, here she goes.
You're like a little worm.
I got your best side.
I know.
I believe in you, Mom.
Ah.
Jared believes in you, Mom.
I don't believe in Dad a whole lot, but I still believe in you.
What?
I think you just insulted me.
Oh, my hair, my thing is stuck.
Jeez. It's an enormous hole, you guys. You're just so funny.
All right, go through it. I'll take the camera.
All right, here you go.
But it be tight.
I'm not going through. I have my backpack.
You're not coming
Anyway, this is the
I
arch
have my
here.
backpack on.
Oh, well, take it
And here's
out.
Pearl.
Here.
Because it has my...
All right, they're all making fun of me because I just squeezed through here.
I know, we cheered and clapped and everything. Good job.
Here comes Pearl,
I tried.
coming through the hole. I didn't even have to suck in my guts. You guys are ridiculous. You coming back through, buddy?
Of course I am. We're just laughing at you. Yeah, I look forward to turning. Move out of the way, Sean.
Oh, photobomb. Ah! There's Lissa.
You can fit through this part really easily.
Okay.
Hey, he can even get through Fat
And then
Man's Pass.
we have to go through here. Jared, you coming through? Coming on videotaping.
Yes, I am.
Here comes Jared. He didn't even have to squeeze at all.
Here's how slithers into like a snake.
Like a snake.
Oh, it's there.
Like a reptile.
Whoa.
Yeah, there you go. All right, you're through. And then if you look up here,
Oh, cool. Yeah, like Fat Man's Pass, except
it's
harder a bit.
a crack in the earth. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You guys are so ridiculous. It was easy. Okay, go ahead and climb down. Go ahead and climb down. There he goes.
Being cautious.
No problem getting through. Heck, that one might be more squeeze for me.
Yeah.
So we're in the fiery furnace.
And it's awesome.
And it's awesome. We're
And hot.
here we are hiking.
And very low to the ground.
Yeah. Hello, people.
Beautiful trees, juniper, and these twisted juniper trees.
Take a picture of the twisted tree, Alyssa.
And then we look like we're hiking straight towards a rock face, but I'm sure there's some way through because there's footprints. So far we have had no issue at all staying on the, you know, the path of the tour of the, you know, and we've taken a couple of side canyons, but
On purpose.
on purpose, yeah, so all is well. Let's go, look at this. This just keeps going on and on. Okay, and this is one of our little side excursions. Yeah, you can see sky way up there. And I don't know where they all went. Apparently, they said it might go through. I don't know. It's pretty skinny.
I think we're back out at the same spot.
Oh, it does go through. Alright, turn the camera off so I can crawl through here. And right there is the crack we came through. And then we climbed out and we saw this arch, which, surprise, it's an arch. I don't know, whatever, it's an arch. And it has a flaw right in the middle. So, yeah, flaw. That arch is flawed. Flawed arch. Do not walk on the arch. All right. I got you. Very nice.
Why not? It looks good to me.
It's got a big crack in the middle of it. Okay, surfing the arch. Stay off the arch. The arch is over there. Do not get on the arch. Guys! Anyway. Beautiful, beautiful. Here comes Lissa. Coming through the cave. This is this one here. And here comes Pearl.
So far we found 2 arches already.
Easy hiking. We have found water
You got a picture with the water.
in the fiery furnace. It's not that fiery. It's very, very beautiful here. Just all these
People don't want to come here if they have to
twisted paths. The main path's up above us. Guys, just so you know. Alright, whatever. You're not supposed to make a lot of noise in here. Anyway, we found water. Walking in a water course, obviously. So we're golden. Not sure if this is poison ivy or not. It's got 3 leaves. It's eaten up by something. Bugs or something.
We're not going to let you out until we're ready to go.
Alright, we found a place with natural air conditioning.
And so naturally everyone got in it.
We had to all come in. That's the dead end though. And looking up, or up, 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 up. That's straight up. You can't not see the light. But if I turn around, you can totally see the outside. There's the opening. Still in the furnace. We're off the beaten path. We've figured out where the beaten path is. And we have, so now we're taking other interesting aside from the beaten path. We're in the furnace. We've been here for 7, 8, 10 days. How long has it been? 7 days? 6 days?
Sunday. What's today?
7 days? 8 days? No.
Saturday. Tomorrow will be 7.
We've been in here for about
Saturday.
3 hours and we're having a wonderful time. So we just came through a very tight squeeze right over here, and then we came up, and we're on the main trail. There's no trail proper, but you know, we're on the main path of and it goes around this way. We explored the one side canyon over here. It kind of dead ends after a little ways. So we're done with our main break. Now we're heading probably generally in the out direction, hopefully. What do you think?
Well, we have plenty of hours of daylight.
That's right. And it's not a furnace. As long as you get in the shade, it's very pleasant.
And also we have plenty of pictures.
Plenty of photographs and video to catalog our demise if we never make our way out of here.
When they eventually find our camera and iPad,
our corpses, yeah.
I've been journaling, so we will have a record of
so we'll have a
everything.
record.
No, Dad, we have to take another video of us all saying goodbye.
Okay, well, whatever.
Oh my gosh. Remember the...
Oops, there he goes.
There's our deer.
She's doing push-ups.
Push-ups. Hey, what is it called? A
Long-tailed, short-legged deer.
There he goes. Yeah. Okay, we found a little narrow crack that only Jared might be able to fit. I don't think you're going to be able to fit through it, dude.
Yeah, pretty much.
I think your chest is going to be too. I think it opens up in there, but you know.
Let's see, I want to try.
Yeah, no. It's okay.
Wait, I want to see.
Suck it in. No. Dude, your chest is too big. Come on.
Yeah, I can try to walk my tippy toes and make my chest a bit thinner.
Yeah.
I'll barely be able to make it.
You're not gonna make it. Yeah, so much for being quiet. Say it again. I'm on video.
The surprise art! We found it! The one she said we'd never find!
Stop yelling.
You're not following the rules!
Neither are you, dork.
Shut up!
All right, we'll come up there and take a break. It says sunny there, though. Oh, it's shady? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, they found surprise arch. Surprise! They're all surprise arches.
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, you know, they were right. We did have to come up. And it is a beautiful arch. Yeah, the lady said we might not find any arches.
But it is.
We found like 4 or 5 arches so far.
It's in between 2 walls. It's narrow, and you can't see it till you get on it. Oh,
Surprise!
surprise!
They're all surprise arches.
All right, we have to go see if she...
That's correct. So from
This
there,
is our official permit
know that's
to go into the fiery furnace. We are a party of 5, fiery furnace on my birthday, and very nice view here. We aren't sure if this is surprise arch, but we think it is.
We think this one more
And
than
it
any
goes
of the others.
up over. We've seen a bunch of arches, even though the lady said we probably wouldn't find any arches. We might not find any arches.
Fourth one.
Why is this?
Like maybe if there's 6 or 5.
Come on, zoom out.
Said 5. This is the fifth one.
That can't be it. Okay, anyway. So there's Alyssa. There's Pearl.
Hi.
Here's the other Pearl. And here's Jared.
Hi, people.
His hair is all messed up.
Jared's messed up, but we're in the shade, so it's okay.
I'm messed up. How am I messed up? Yeah. No, it's not. Not anymore. Yeah. Oh, they ruin nature.
Yeah, they ruined nature. So the ranger told us there's no trails in here, but this is clearly a built staircase.
Here, take a picture so that we can see the man-made stairway.
And you're on it. I'm taking a video of you right now. And yeah, it's funny. You know, it wasn't easy to find though. It's definitely not easy to find.
Yeah, really isn't.
Am I getting the picture of this thing that I'm on?
Yeah.